All right, we're in the shop today. My buddy Sean at Kingfish Metalworks has a hood flip kit that he started putting on his truck. And of course, typical of anything made in China, the stainless steel hold downs for the back of the hood broke. It looks like they MIG welded them. If you know anything about stainless, that's not great. So we're going to take these things, grind them down, clean them up, and get them taken back up for his use.
All right, and this is the piece. That's of course where it broke. How it works is a roller hits here, and it rolls down that, and this is what locks the back of the hood in place. Of course, like I said, you can see it looks like they MIG welded these things and possibly overheated it, which caused the stainless to, of course, get work hardened and brittle. So what we're going to do is we're going to grind this, clean it up pretty nice, and then we'll come back and make a few passes, TIG welding that stainless together and get it all cleaned up. And what I like to do on stuff like this, as you can see, that's an aluminum piece that I laid underneath it. So I get this thing put roughly where it needs to go. I'll throw a couple of measurements on it to get it just about right, and then I'll come around and I'll line this with a Sharpie on this piece of aluminum, and that gives me, once I get this ground to almost a point, that gives me a dead set. All right, this is where it goes, and I can clamp it to the piece and then weld it and make sure that it lands right. Also, here on these threaded parts, normally there is a nut there. Make sure to take that off so that the piece will lay nice and flat on your piece of metal. That way you can keep it nice and lined up. All right, and there it is. TIG welded together, wire wheeled. Fits our pattern. Fits our pattern. Gap looks proper. And that's all there is to it. Just a little TIG welding, we'll clean it up, we'll pre-layout. And that'll get Mr. Sean at Kingfish Metalworks worked out. In fact, Sean is under here.
Hey everybody.
Helping me out with the panel truck. This is the second motor that we put in 6 months because I guess I got a knack for blowing motors up. So we'll get this one put out and we'll put another one in. You guys have a great day.